वेलकम टू आवर चैनल टेक्स्ट फॉर वेल्थ। सीए राजेंद्र सर हमारे साथ है जीएसटी मंत्रा में। राजेंद्र सर मोस्ट वेलकम।
नमस्कार मैडम, धन्यवाद। सभी दोस्तों को भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आज के प्रोग्राम में।
सर मेरे लास्ट शो के 2 क्वेश्चंस रह गए थे जो कि लेट मी टेक दैट 2 क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इफ आईटीसी इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग इन माय 2A but it does not belong to me, can I consider it while considering the value of 105% for claiming ITC?
If those do not belong to you, then why should you take the credit of those? अगर वो आपके है ही नहीं तो आप उनको 110% या 105% में क्यों इनकॉर्पोरेट कर रहे हो? क्या जरूरत है? तो मेरे हिसाब से तो आपको उनका क्रेडिट नहीं लेना चाहिए और उनको अपने 105% कैलकुलेट करते हुए जोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि वो बात एलिजिबल क्रेडिट की करते हैं और एलिजिबल क्रेडिट में वो क्रेडिट इंक्लूड होता है जो कि एक्चुअली एलिजिबल हो। तो यहाँ तो 16(2) के हिसाब से क्रेडिट आपको एलिजिबल ही नहीं है, बिकॉज दैट डजंट बिलोंग टू यू। वो गलती से आ रहा है आपके अकाउंट में, देन आप नहीं लेना चाहिए आपको। जी मैम, हमारे साथ शबीर मीर जुड़ गए हैं, हमारे मित्र श्रीनगर से। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है श्रीनगर में। इनका नाम सुनते ही, इनको देखते ही हमें दिल्ली में बैठे और ठंड लगने लग जाती है।
So my second question is that I am supplying exam goods. My turnover is more than 20 lakh. I am availing services of advocate. Do I need to registration to deposit RCM?
अगर आपका टर्नओवर 20 लाख रुपए से ज्यादा है और आप जो है सप्लाई ऑफ सर्विसेज कर रहे हैं, आप सप्लाई ऑफ सर्विस एग्जेम्प्ट गुड्स भी कर रहे हैं, अच्छा, तो आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन की जरूरत नहीं है। लेकिन क्योंकि आरसीएम पे करते हैं तो आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन लेना पड़ेगा। आंसर इज यस सर, रजिस्ट्रेशन लेना पड़ेगा आपको। हमारे साथ दिनेश गुलाटी जी जुड़ गए हैं, वेलकम सर। जी भारती मैम।
जी sir. Most welcome Dinesh sir. So my next question is nowadays portal is asking for Aadhaar OTP verification. Should we do it?
आधार ओटीपी वेरिफिकेशन तो भाई जरूरी है रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए भी और उसके बाद भी, तो आपको जरूर करना चाहिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। आप अगर आधार ओटीपी वेरिफिकेशन है, आपका मोबाइल नंबर आधार से लिंक है, तो आपको जरूर करना चाहिए। दिस इज द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द सेक्शन 26 आल्सो, दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम।
Sir, my next question is 1 year has been passed since my electronic credit card ledger credit ledger is blocked. So credit card बार बार आ जाता है नाम, तो my credit ledger is blocked. Still it is blocked. Will department pay me any interest for blocking the ledger after expiry of 1 year till it's unblocked?
देखिए, रूल 86 कैपिटल ए में लिखा है कि अगर 1 साल के अंदर अंदर क्रेडिट जो है आपका अनब्लॉक ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा। अब अगर 1 साल के बाद भी क्रेडिट अनब्लॉक नहीं होता है तो उस केस में ऑफ कोर्स ब्याज का जो डिपार्टमेंटल ब्याज का प्रोविजन है वो लग जाएगा आपको, ऑफ कोर्स इसके लिए सेपरेटली डिमांड करना पड़ेगा, ऑटोमेटिक प्रोसेस नहीं है कोई भी। लेकिन हाँ, वी नीड टू चेक कि ब्याज कैसे असेस होगा और कैसे वो सब चीजें होंगी। हाँ, लेकिन ब्याज बन सकता है, यू गॉट अ पॉइंट। हमारे बीच में रिक्की अरोड़ा जी आ गए हैं, प्रजापति जी हैं। ये रिक्की अरोड़ा जी ने एक सवाल भी पूछा है हमसे।
Sir, for the registration question, we can use the refuge of section 24, not being notwithstanding 22 only number.
देखिए सर, रिक्की जी रिक्की जी हमारे बड़े अच्छे मित्र हैं और हमारे रिसर्च ग्रुप के मेंबर भी हैं। आपका पॉइंट बड़ा वैलिड है, लेकिन क्या है कि हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट के बैकग्राउंड मटेरियल, हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट ने एक हैंडबुक निकाली आरसीएम के ऊपर, उसमें भी इंस्टीट्यूट ने अपना व्यू क्या दिया कि इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड लिटिगेशन, अगर आप 22 का रिफ्यूज लेते हैं, 22 का आप शेल्टर लेते हैं कि भाई वो तो आपको कह रहा है कि भाई आपको एक्सक्लूसिवली रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं लेना है अगर आप सप्लाई ऑफ एग्जेम्प्ट सप्लाई ऑफ गुड्स और सर्विसेज करते हैं, और 24 जो है नॉटविथस्टैंडिंग 22 कहता है 23 नहीं, आई बेग यू पार्डन, अर्लियर आई सेड 23 ये कहता है कि एग्जेम्प्ट सप्लाई ऑफ गुड्स और सर्विसेज करते हैं तो आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं लेना है। तो 24 जो है वो ओवरराइड करता है 22 को, 23 को नहीं करता है। तो 23 अपने आप में एक इंडिपेंडेंट सेक्शन है जिसकी इंप्लीकेशन 24 के कारण इफेक्ट नहीं होती। तो लेकिन सर हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट का जो व्यू पॉइंट है वो इसमें ये है कि आप इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड लिटिगेशन आप जो है आप रजिस्ट्रेशन ले लीजिए और कंप्लायंस कीजिए। मैं अपने इंस्टीट्यूट के व्यू पॉइंट के साथ ही जाता हूं आमतौर पे, तो मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन ले लेना चाहिए और जो है इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड लिटिगेशन।
आशीष सर आई गेस मुंबई से हैं।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, अब तो आपको भी याद हो गया, आशीष जी हमारे मुंबई से हैं, हमारे साथ रेगुलरली जुड़ते हैं। अब आप इनको बोल दीजिएगा कि अब गर्मियों के सीजन में हम सबको अल्फांसो खिलाएंगे आशीष जी, नागपुर के।
Sir, consideration received from client, but order got cancelled subsequently, and consideration received treated as other income. In P&L, whether GST applicable on such income where further supply is not possible.
अब अगर आपने कंसिडरेशन रिसीव किया, if it was for supply of services, then consideration would have included the GST also, because it is applicable, the levy is applicable on the advance also. But if the consideration received was only for supply of goods, then the levy doesn't attract. Time of supply happens only when the goods are delivered or invoice made, whichever is earlier. So to my humble view, if it is for goods, it is for services, then certainly the advance received would include GST. But if it is for goods, then no levy, no supply, because section 7 is not completed. Consideration is there in the course or furtherance of business is there, but there was no supply of goods or services, so would not be any levy. So in case advance is received for goods, no tax. There is no supply at all. There is no supply at all. I have my junior sitting besides me. He was suggesting me, sir, can we treat it exempt supply? No, there is no supply at all. Because supply happens only when the conditions of section 7 are met. So there is no supply includes sale, transfer, barter, exchange, disposal, rental, lease. none of the activity has happened or similar activity has happened. It is a business in the course or furtherance of business. It is for the consideration by a person, all the conditions, but there is no underlying activity for which it is received. But in case of supply of services, because even the advance received attracts time of supply. So the moment there is a deeming fiction when the advance is received for the supply of services, then the advance shall be the time of supply. But here, in case of supply of goods, time of supply would never happen, because neither the goods nor the invoice will ever happen. Supply of goods nor supply of nor raising of invoice will happen. He suggested me another question. Just a second, Bharti. He suggested me another question, that there would be a gap between profit and loss account and the statement furnished in GST return. So that would be reflected in form 9 and 9C also. तो उसके अलावा और कोई इसमें सोल्यूशन नहीं है, क्योंकि ये सप्लाई नहीं है. तो सप्लाई नहीं है तो मैं उसको जबरदस्ती तो सप्लाई ट्रीट नहीं कर सकता, just to match the both sets of books of accounts. शैलेश जी का सवाल लीजिए ना पहले मैडम, शैलेश जी का.
जी. So can we take credit for March 2020 invoices as vendor missed the same? Any chance to extend the date?
Answer is plain, simple, firm conviction. No. Plain, simple, firm. No. I would welcome Sudhanshu Prasad Singh. Hope you have come back from Bihar. So if you have come back from Bihar, then please allow me to meet you and have a delicious lunch again with you.
So sales commission paid to foreign party in foreign currency, whether GST applicable on SAT transaction?
Sir, this is the import of services. Place of supply shall be here in India. Place of supply in case of these services shall be the place of the recipient. So this would be considered to be import of service. And import of service would require to pay GST under reverse charge. So Ashish ji, 2 questions. Now next question we have from Shabir from Srinagar. Shabir informed me just before you read the question, Bharti. Shabir informed me that in Srinagar, all the big production houses of Bollywood have reached for production, for shooting the movies. Even Salman Khan is there, Amin Khan is there, Sanjay Leela Bhansali is there. All the big production houses, movie production houses of Mumbai have reached to Srinagar for shooting. So that is very clear that they have selected Srinagar instead of foreign locations, and this is a positive sign that our Srinagar and those areas relate towards Srinagar, Ladakh, and some other areas are now being the preferred locations by these movie makers. So it is certainly good sign. Now you can take the question of Shabir.
Sir, how much time generally it takes to get the GST registration activated after the cancellation on the basis of non-filing of multiple GSTRs, after filing the requisite number of GSTRs?
Shabir, there is no standard formula. Actually, my friend, there was an SOP released under this particular cancellation non-filing wala return, section 62. But unfortunately, the department SOP was released to bring in the uniformity in the actions taken by field formation officers, all the officers who are actually the proper officers. Unfortunately, that is not being applied, that SOP is not being applied by one and all. So the time taken is not a standard formula for restoration of everything. But yes, sometimes it is necessary to reach back to the proper officer and pursue him for restoration and everything. But if the uh, your proper officer is at remote location, which you discussed with me also at one situation wherein the proper officer of a registered person in Srinagar is located in Chandigarh, so that is very difficult for one sitting in Srinagar to reach to a proper officer in Chandigarh. But there is no standard formula, my friend. Ricky, what are you referring to about advance voucher? Uh, what are you referring for, Ricky? Please, भाई मुझे clear करो. I could not understand. Next, we have Sudhanshu's question, so we can take Sudhanshu's question.
Sir, if sale of January is shown in GSTR 1 as well as GSTR 3B in the month of February, whether input related to February can be used for payment of tax liabilities? If yes, then what will be the consequences?
If sale of January is shown in 1 as well as 3B in the month of February, so whether input related to February can be used for payment of tax liabilities? Answer would be yes, it can be. But the similar question you have asked me twice, thrice in a different manner, Sudhanshu. Uh, and every time you may find a little difference in my reply. Normally, my replies are almost similar. I don't remember my replies. I only try and apply the logical methodology to reach to the replies. But here in this question, I would say the January output adjusted with the February input. So if one-to-one correlation, section 50, let me tell you, section 50 would be a problem for you. Otherwise, one-to-one correlation is not required in the law, the fungibility of the credit. But section 50 proviso, section 50 subsection 1, the first proviso, which is now reinstated in this budget 2021, and this was reinstated retrospectively. That proviso refers that the interest is to be paid on cash tax, the tax which is paid in cash. But unfortunately, the way the proviso is worded, we need to be careful about it. The way the proviso is worded, it does not cover the situation said by Sudhanshu. Let me reframe the reply. If the output of 1 month shown in the 1 and 3B of succeeding month, then section 50 subsection 1 proviso shall not be available. Meaning thereby, the interest shall not only be levied on the cash tax paid in February month, but on the gross tax which was due to be paid of January but paid in February. Therefore, the interest shall be laid on the gross tax of January. This could be the most important consequence. I would welcome Rajiv Arora ji. I think he is the same Rajiv Arora, my elder brother at NSP. Rajiv ji, I am also at NSP. If you are the same Rajiv Arora, I am also at NSP. I would be loving to see you at NSP office. If you can spare some 10 minutes time, so we'll have cup of tea together.
Sir, Ricky Arora sir is having a question that sir, should the advance voucher needs to be issued in respect of advance received in respect of supply of goods?
Advance voucher would be there, Ricky. That is not a problem. But that advance voucher would not attract tax because there is no time of supply in case of supply of goods as per section 12 of the Act, CGST Act. We have Tausif Vora. Welcome, Tausif. I think you have joined for the first time. Even Rajiv Arora ji also has joined for the first time our channel. Welcome, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please.
RCM. So should I proceed?
Yeah, please.
RCM of import services booked in Gujarat and now the expenses booked in Mumbai branch. But actually expenses is related to Gujarat branch. Is there any issue because RCM already paid by Mumbai and taken ITC?
So far as uh, if this RCM to me import services, if it is import services, uh, RCM of import services booked in Gujarat. Now the expenses booked in Mumbai actually expense related to Gujarat. So if the actual expenses relating to Gujarat and it is booked in actual relating to Gujarat booked in Mumbai, tax paid by Mumbai. So, because the consolidated accounts would be made and this entry would be done in the profit loss account only of the consolidated financial statements. So, the credit was belonging to, the expense was belonging to Gujarat, but booked in Mumbai. So there could be a problem by the Mumbai Gujarat department, the Gujarat State Tax Department. Then the RCM was belonging to Gujarat, but the credit is taken in Mumbai. So there could be a problem, sir. We need to think for the solution. I would welcome Anil Kumar Mendiratta ji also. Rajiv Arora ji, please reply if you are still live with our program. Yes, Bharti, please read out the question.
सर क्रॉस चार्ज ब्रांच ने हेड ऑफिस को बिलिंग नहीं किया है और ऑडिट में क्रॉस चार्ज का इशू आया है तो उसका वैल्यूएशन कैसे करेंगे?
वैल्यूएशन रूल 28 सेकंड प्रोवाइजो के हिसाब से आप कर सकते हैं क्रॉस चार्ज का. इट इज डिबेटेबल, इट इज चैलेंजेबल, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं आपको एक अच्छा एक बेसिस मिलता है तौसीफ इसमें कि आप जो है रूल 28 सेकंड प्रोवाइजो के हिसाब से आप कर सकते हैं. आप उसको देख लीजिए. आपको कोई और इसमें एडिशनल डिस्कशन हो तो आप मेरे मोबाइल पर मुझसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
सर शबीर सर का क्वेश्चन है that a small MSME did not file GSTR since December 2019. It is actually is a very small unit and have GST registration. What it should to do in order to save the late fee? The unit actually in a bad financial shape.
Shabir, the problem here is that there was a scheme of amnesty kind of a scheme to regularize these registered taxpayers. But now, at present, there is no scheme. But we are quite hopeful the government would come again with another amnesty kind of a scheme wherein only 500 rupees per month fee, late fee under section 47 shall be charged and you shall be allowed to regularize. Till then, there is no possibility, my dear friend. Yeah, this can be cancelled. The registration might get cancelled also sooner. And if it gets cancelled, then it cannot be reinstated unless all the pending returns are filed with fee.
Sir, what is the consequence of not selecting the option of QRMP till 31st January. And how can we change the default option selected?
Sir, at present what I have learned is, first तो ये था कि that for the quarter starting with January to March, the option was to be selected for to go to monthly was to be selected by 31st till 31st January 2021. Now, if you have not selected it to monthly, now you will go to the QRMP, quarterly return monthly payment. No option available to change to monthly scheme. Now you have to file QRMP and can switch back to monthly scheme from April 2021. No other option, sir. Ricky bhai.
सर आई होप बाकी के क्वेश्चंस हम लोग नेक्स्ट शो में ले लेंगे। एक सीए शालिनी जी थी सर, जो हमारे टेक्स्ट फॉर वेल्थ में पार्टनर भी हैं, तो उनका भी क्वेरी थी, तो उनकी भी क्वेरी आनी थी बट आई नहीं है, बट नेक्स्ट शो में लेंगे सर। क्वेश्चंस के अलावा आपका कोई फीडबैक है तो प्लीज।
बस नहीं, मेरे को अभी कुछ नहीं कहना है आज, क्योंकि अभी ऐसा कुछ, बट यही बस लास्ट में एट द क्लोजर आई वुड से दैट बिकॉज we are coming out of this unprecedented pandemic, but yes, दवाई भी और कड़ाई भी दोनों चीजें जरूरी हैं, तो आप अपना संयम बरतें, साथ ही साथ दवाई जहां भी हमें अवेलेबल है, मतलब जो भी वैक्सीनेशन हम पॉसिबली जब भी हमें मिलेगा जैसे भी, तो और लेकिन कड़ाई भी हमें बरतनी है, संयम बरतना है, अभी भी बहुत सारी चीजों को ध्यान में रखना है, और जितना भी हम थोड़ा सा अभी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, मास्क, ये सब चीजें कर सके, हमें जरूर करनी है। ये साल, नया साल 2021 जो है हमारे लिए सर्टेनली it would be much better than the previous year, which has been something not that good in taste, but yes, we are quite hopeful that now in times to come things are going to completely change on the face of the economy. Thank you very much, friends.
थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू राजेंद्र सर। आई रिक्वेस्ट कि सबके कमेंट्स आए हैं तो प्लीज एक बार लाइक भी कर दीजिएगा। राजेंद्र सर बहुत मुश्किल से टाइम निकाल के हमें आंसर दे रहे हैं। थैंक यू एवरीवन, और आपकी कोई भी क्वेरी हो textforwealth@gmail.com पे हमें मेल कर सकते हैं।
धन्यवाद।